Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Lamborghini Aventador S from a front view. Let's start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, sketch a wide, low rectangle to represent the main body of the car. Then, add two slightly smaller rectangles on top for the windshield and roofline. This initial outline is crucial for capturing the Aventador's powerful and low-slung profile, setting the stage for all the exciting details to come. Now, let's bring out some of the Aventador's most recognizable features. Carefully draw the iconic Y-shaped headlights on both sides of the front, giving the car its intense gaze. Below these, sketch the large, hexagonal central air intake, which is a dominant element of its aggressive face. Don't forget to include the two smaller side vents, ensuring they align with the angles of the main grille for a cohesive look. Moving on, we'll sculpt the powerful hood and fenders. Outline the sharp, angular lines of the hood, making sure it slopes gently downwards towards the front. Next, define the prominent front wheel arches. These should extend outwards, giving the car its wide and muscular stance. Pay attention to the subtle creases and vents on the hood, as these small aerodynamic details add significant realism and character to your drawing. Finally, it's time to refine your masterpiece and add depth. Begin by carefully erasing any unnecessary guidelines, cleaning up the overall appearance. Then, introduce shading and highlights to create a stunning three-dimensional effect, making your Aventador pop off the page. Don't forget to include those crucial small details, such as the iconic Lamborghini emblem and the delicate wiper blades, to truly bring your drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.